dahil tamad kaming lumabas, dahil sa sobrang init, gagawa na lang kami ng homemade matcha with mixed berries. Tara, gawa tayo. Step 1. Put the mixed berries into the blender with a little bit of fresh milk. Then mix it using the Hodek whisk until it gets fruity and creamy. Now, let's prepare our matcha. Just add 3 teaspoons of matcha powder into the tea bowl. Then sieve it to avoid clumps. Next, pour a little bit of hot water into the matcha. Now, mix it using the bamboo whisk in zigzag or W motion until it becomes thick and create a microfoam on top. It's a perfect blend of matcha, so creamy and fruity. Now fill your glass with ice cube and add the blended mixed berries. Then add the outside milk. Finally, slowly add the matcha mixture on top. And that's it, our homemade matcha latte with mixed berries. Look at that! Napaka-colorful niya. Tikman natin. Grabe, ang sarap. Sa mga mami, try nyo na din. Bye!